The Interdisciplinary Studies program is a very useful program at York that allows students to enroll in a master's degree where they have the opportunity to work with supervisors from 3 different disciplinary areas.
Students have the opportunity to study with any professor who is full-time at York University. So that means from film to anthropology to social science to health and society, law, business. Just the list is endless.
It's an opportunity to create something new. It's something that cannot be used or cannot be applied with other departments, so you can make your research as you want.
Interdisciplinary studies involves looking at an issue or a question from different perspectives, looking at it through 2, preferably 3 lenses.
Many of the problems that are nowadays are interdisciplinary.
Take the big ticket items like war, peace, poverty, climate change. What we need is really more critical and more creative thinking.
And more, and I speak as a mature student now, in professional practice, we're not just relying on one aspect of a discipline anymore. You may be called upon from multiple perspectives.
Students have to do something no other program requires, which is put together your committee before you're accepted.
Even like before you apply, like you have to, I guess, do your research on the professors that you want to potentially research with.
I think the Interdis program is really good at that sort of matchmaking and introducing people and bringing people together. And it's not just bringing good people together for the student, but almost curating a dynamic committee.
I have a great supervisory team. I really love all of my supervisors and have felt super supported by them.
They are very excited about your research. They are very excited about the program, the courses.
You have these 3 supervisors, but you also have a work study with them. You also have these monthly meetings that they create. You're not necessarily in classroom together with the rest of your fellow students, but because you have supervisors and who those supervisors are connected, you have another network of students.
I highly recommend this program for students who know what they want to do, who have a really strong sense of the different players, the different academics that they need to bring together in order to have a really wonderful and exciting intellectual experience.
The interdisciplinary study students are incredibly varied, but let me say they have creative minds. They are people who are not constrained by disciplinary borders.
I would say that that individual that would be seeking the Interdisciplinary Studies program would already have an entrepreneurial spirit already.
If you're someone that you've got an idea of what you want to do and you just need a place to do it, you need some support, you need a community, it's a great place.
And I think the best way to approach Interdis is to think about it, this is time for myself. Here's 2 years where I'm going to reassess, I'm going to luxuriate in the wonderful possibilities of what it means to do coursework and be in the classroom again, working on a project that's a true passion.
So I would say that if you do have that burning spark for graduate studies and you're looking for a perspective that is unique, by entering interdisciplinary studies, it's going to fan that flame.